Inverse trigonometric functions, problem section 5. Today we are doing some more problems based on the properties of inverse trigonometric functions. We are moving to the first problem. Prove that tan inverse root x equal to 1 by 2 into cos inverse 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x, where x is an element of closed interval 0, 1. Here is a question. Prove that tan inverse root x equal to 1 by 2 into cos inverse 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x, where x is an element of closed interval 0, 1. We know the formula cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Compare with this, we can write put x equal to tan square theta. Here it is of the form 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Here we are putting tan square theta. Therefore x is tan square theta. Therefore square root of x equal to tan theta. Therefore we can write theta is equal to tan inverse root x. Now I am taking the right hand side of the problem. That is equal to half into cos inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x. That is the right hand side. That is equal to 1 by 2 into cos inverse this 1 minus it is x is tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. That is equal to 1 by 2 into cos inverse cos 2 theta, because cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. That is equal to 1 by 2 into cos inverse cos 2 theta means 2 theta. That is theta. Theta is tan inverse root x. That is equal to left hand side of the problem. Here is another question. Prove that cot inverse square root of 1 plus sin x plus root of 1 minus sin x divided by square root of 1 plus sin x minus square root of 1 minus sin x is equal to x by 2, where x is an element of open interval 0, 5 by 2. നമ്മുടെ aim എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഈ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിലുള്ള എക്സ്പ്രഷൻസിന് റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിൽ ഉള്ള എക്സ് ബൈ 2 ഈക്വൽ ആണെന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് കോട്ട് ഇൻവേഴ്സ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ഈ ട്രിഗണോമെട്രിക് എക്സ്പ്രഷനെ കോട്ടിലേക്ക് മാറ്റിയെടുക്കണം, കോട്ട് ഫംഗ്ഷണൽ ടേംസിലേക്ക് മാറ്റിയെടുക്കണം. അപ്പോൾ അതിന് വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ ഇതിനെ മാക്സിമം സിംപ്ലിഫിക്കേഷൻ നടത്തിയിട്ട് കോട്ടിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യും. പിന്നെ ഒരു കാര്യം ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക, ഈ ഒരു എക്സ്പ്രഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ട്രിഗണോമെട്രിക് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ്റെ എക്സ്പ്രഷനാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്കിവിടെ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് കാര്യമില്ല. അപ്പോൾ നേരത്തെ പ്രോബ്ലത്തിൽ നമുക്ക് എക്സിന് പ്രോപ്പർ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻ കൊടുത്തിട്ട് സിംപ്ലിഫൈ ചെയ്യാൻ സാധിച്ചിരുന്നു. പക്ഷെ ഇവിടെ അങ്ങനെ സാധിക്കില്ല, കാരണം ഇതൊരു ട്രിഗണോമെട്രിയുടെ എക്സ്പ്രഷനാണ്. നേരത്തെ പ്രോബ്ലത്തിലാണെങ്കിൽ അത് എക്സിലുള്ള ഒരു എക്സ്പ്രഷനാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് വെച്ചാൽ ഈ ടേം മാത്രം എടുത്തിട്ട് അതിന് സിംപ്ലിഫൈ ചെയ്യുക. ആ സ്ഥാനം നമുക്ക് ലെഫ്റ്റ് ഹാൻഡ് സൈഡിലേക്ക് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഞാൻ എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത് വെച്ചാൽ 1 പ്ലസ് sin x root of 1 plus sin x plus root of 1 minus sin x divided by square root of 1 plus sin x minus square root of 1 minus sin x. That is equal to this one. We can write it, one is sin square theta plus cos square theta and cos square theta plus sin square theta. Here I am writing one as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. Then we can write here is equal to square root of 1 means cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus this sinus can be sin 2 into x by 2. Similarly, we can write this as plus square root of 1 minus 1 can be cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin 2 into x by 2. Similarly, we can write the denominator. The only difference is this plus become minus. Cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus sin 2 into x by 2 minus square root of cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 minus sin 2x by 2. The only difference is this plus become minus. Now it is equal to square root of this cos square x by 2 sin square x by 2. Here we can write it 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Therefore this become, next step is cos square x by 2 sin square x by 2. Here I am writing 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 because sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. Here again I am changing, it is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Here it is plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Here again it is minus 2 into sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Now listen here we can see that it is a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is a plus b the whole square. A is cos square x by 2, a is cos square x by 2, b is sin square, a is cos x by 2, b is sin x by 2. Therefore the first term we can write like this, it is equal to cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 the whole square, then there is a square root. That is clear. Similarly, this we can write a square root of a square b square minus 2ab form. Therefore it is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 the whole square. And the denominator is also in the same pattern. It is square root of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 the whole square. Here it is minus, then cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 the square. Now taking the square roots, we can write it is equal to cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 taking square root. Here again taking square root, we get cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Adding these two, here is a cos x by 2, here is a cos x by 2. Therefore it will become 2 cos x by 2. Here is a sin x by 2, here is a minus sin x by 2, both are cancelled. Therefore the numerator is 2 cos x by 2 and the denominator is cos x by 2 minus cos x by 2 cancel. This sin x by 2 minus sin x by 2, that is equal to 2 sin x by 2. That is 2 cancel, cos by sin is cot x by 2. Therefore we can write the right hand side is equal to cot inverse cot x by 2. That means x by 2. That is the right hand side. Now we can take another question. Prove that tan inverse square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x divided by square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x is equal to pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 into cos inverse x, where minus 1 by root 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Now we will prove here. With the left hand side, left hand side is the tan inverse of some an expression. Now we will expression tan convert. So tan inverse of tan is expression x proper substitution. We can do the problem. First of all, we can take the left hand side. Left hand side of the problem. That is equal to tan inverse. Here I am putting x equal to cos 2 theta. Therefore, 2 theta is cos inverse x. Hence, theta is cos inverse x divided by 2. That we can take it in the side. Now, it become square root of 1 plus cos 2 theta minus square root of 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by square root of 1 plus cos 2 theta plus square root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. That's equal to tan inverse root of 1 plus cos 2 theta means it is square root of cos square theta, because we have cos theta by 2 is equal to square root of 1 plus cos theta divided by 2. Then squaring, we get cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos theta by 2. Then cross multiply, we get 2 cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. Therefore, it is square root of 2 cos square theta minus, similarly we can write it is 2 sin square theta, because 1 sin theta by 2 is equal to square root of 1 minus cos theta divided by 2. Now squaring and cross multiplying, we get 2 sin square theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos theta. Now instead of theta, if you take 2 theta, it becomes theta. Therefore 2 sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta. Similarly, the denominator also square root of 2 cos square theta plus square root of 2 sin square theta. Now, here is a root 2, root 2, root 2, root 2, root 2 cancel. And taking the square root, we get it is tan inverse cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta. Now, we can divide the numerator and the denominator by cos theta. It becomes tan inverse of cos theta by cos theta is 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. Because we are dividing the numerator and the denominator by cos theta, it becomes cos theta by cos theta, that is 1. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, then it is 1, it is tan theta. Now, we can write it. That is tan inverse. 1 can be tan pi by 4 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into, because tan pi by 4 is 1 into tan theta. We can write like this. That is equal to tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus theta. That is equal to theta pi by 4 minus theta. That is equal to pi by 4 minus theta can be tan inverse x divided by 2. That is the right hand side of the problem. Here is another question. We have to show that 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sin inverse 1 by 3 is equal to 9 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 divided by 3. Well, first of all, we are writing the equation and dividing throughout by 9 by 4. Dividing by 9 by 4. The given equation become pi by 2 because 9 pi divided by 8 divided by 9 by 4 means 9 cancel, 8 by 4 is 2. Therefore, it is pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 by 3 is equal to sin inverse 2 root 2 divided by 3. That means if you want to prove this, it is enough to prove this form equation. Now, using the fourth property of inverse trigonometric function, we can write a sin inverse 1 by 3 plus cos inverse 1 by 3 is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 by 3 is equal to cos inverse 1 by 3. That is equal to sin inverse 2 root 2 divided by 3. That is, we are required to prove this equation. Instead of proving this equation, it is enough to prove this equation. That means cos inverse 1 by 3 is equal to sin inverse 2 root 2 divided by 3. Now our aim is to prove cos inverse 1 by 3 is equal to sin inverse 2 root 2 divided by 3. Now, I am taking A equal to cos inverse 1 by 3. Now, here I am drawing a right angle triangle like this. This angle is 90 and this is A. Given A is equal to cos inverse 1 by 3. Therefore, we can take this length as 1 and this length as 3. Then, by using Pythagoras theorem, we get this length is equal to root of 3 square minus 1 square. That is root 8. That is equal to 2 root 2. Therefore, this length is 2 root 2. Now, the left hand side is cos inverse 1 by 3. That is left hand side is A. That is equal to cos inverse 1 by 3. That is equal to, from this triangle we get sin inverse A, sin A is equal to 2 root 2 divided by 3. That means sin A is equal to 2 root 2 divided by 2 root 2 divided by 3. 2 root 2 divided by 3. This implies A equal to sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3 equal to sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3. Therefore, this we can write A is equal to cos inverse 1 by 3 is equal to sin inverse 2 root 2 divided by 3. That is the right hand side of the problem. Here is another question. Solve 2 tan inverse cos x equal to tan inverse 2 cosecant x. Our aim is to determine the value of x. Solve means find the value of x. Therefore, applying the sixth property says that 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Therefore, applying the sixth property in the left hand side, we get it is tan inverse 2 into cos x 2x divided by 1 minus cos square x. That is the left hand side. Right hand side, there is no change. That is 2 tan inverse 2 cosec x. Tan inverse of this value is equal to tan inverse of this value. Implies 2 cos x by 1 minus cos square x is equal to 2 cosecant x. Therefore, we can write 2 cos x by 1 minus cos square x equal to 2 cosecant x. Now 2 cancelled. Now we can write it is cos x divided by 1 minus cos square x is sin square x equal to 2 cosecant x. Cosecant x we can write 1 by sin x. Now I am cancelling sines and sin from both sides. It is cos x by sin x equal to 1. That is cot x equal to 1. Therefore, x equal to cot inverse of 1. That is pi by 4. Therefore, the answer of this problem is the value of x is pi by 4. Here is another question. We have to solve tan inverse 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse x, where x is greater than 0. That means we have to find the value of x. This equation is given. Here I am putting x equal to tan theta. Put x equal to tan theta. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse x. First, put x equal to tan theta, and theta is equal to tan inverse x. Now this equation becomes tan inverse 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse tan theta, or you can write it directly tan inverse is equal to theta. Therefore, this becomes tan inverse 1 we can write it tan pi by 4 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. We can write 1 into tan theta, that is tan pi by 4 into tan theta, because tan pi by 4 is equal to 1 equal to theta. tan inverse tan theta is theta, therefore it is theta by 2. Now, we can write it is equal to tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus theta equal to theta divided by 2. Now tan inverse tan is cancelled and it becomes pi by 4 minus theta equal to theta by 2. That is theta by 2 plus theta is equal to pi by 4. Therefore we can write it 3 theta by 2 is equal to pi by 4. That is 3 theta is equal to pi by 2. That means theta is equal to pi by 6. Now from this we can write it x equal to tan pi by 6. Because tan the x is tan theta, theta is pi by 6. Hence it is tan pi by 6. That means 1 by root 3. Therefore the value of x is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is the. Now here is another question. You have to find the value of sin tan inverse x. Here I am putting tan inverse x equal to theta. Therefore x equal to tan theta. Now consider a right angled triangle like this and take this angle as theta and this is 90 degree given that x equal to tan theta. Therefore this length is x and this length is 1. Now by using therefore tan theta is x by 1, that is x. Now using Pythagoras theorem we can write it, this hypotenuse is equal to square root of 1 square plus x square, that is 1 plus x square. So sin theta is equal to x divided by 1 plus root of 1 plus x square. Therefore this question becomes sin inverse sin of tan inverse x is theta. Therefore sin theta, that is equal to x divided by square root of 1 plus x square. Therefore the answer is x divided by 1 plus